Welcome to Vision Base. Today, we're dropping the clutch on the 10 meanest, most dominant race cars, terrorizing the planet in 2026. We have 1,600 horsepower hybrid hypercars, engines screaming past 10,000 RPM. Cornering forces pulling over 5 Gs, unbeaten Le Mans Triple Crown champions. No fluff, just raw asphalt violence. Let's drop the hammer. Number 10, Ford Mustang GT3. Ford took America's favorite rental car, stripped it to the absolute bare metal, and built a global track assassin. We are starting our journey with a healthy dose of pure, unadulterated American muscle. The Mustang GT3 isn't some straight-line drag racer. It is a corner-carving scalpel designed alongside the engineering wizards at Multimatic to make this beast turn. Engineers threw out the standard rear suspension and mounted a massive rear transaxle gearbox, giving this pony a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. Under the carbon fiber hood sits a massive 5.4-liter, naturally aspirated Coyote V8, throwing down a restricted 550 horsepower. It runs on a brutal 6-speed sequential gearbox that bangs gears faster than you can blink. This front-engine monster is currently terrorizing the GT3 grids from Daytona to Spa, proving that old-school displacement never goes out of style. It's loud, it's angry, and it's the perfect curiosity starter for our list. But if you think a front-engine muscle car is impressive, wait until you see the rear-engine German icon that has won more races than most manufacturers have ever entered. Number 9, Porsche 911 GT3R 992 Gen. This car single-handedly keeps the trophy cabinet at Stuttgart overflowing. The Porsche 911 GT3R is the ultimate evolution of the iconic 911 platform, specifically refined for the gridlock of global GT3 racing. Porsche built this machine with a unique swan neck rear wing that literally sucks the car to the pavement, generating massive aerodynamic downforce. Behind the rear axle sits a screaming 4.2-liter naturally aspirated flat-6 engine. This mechanical masterpiece produces 565 horsepower and revs all the way to a spine-tingling 9,250 RPM. Weighing in at a feather-light 2,750 pounds. It features a specialized carbon fiber body and an advanced braking system that can stop on a dime. It is so user-friendly that a gentleman driver can race it, yet so sharp that a professional can use it to dominate the Nürburgring 24 hours. The engineering precision here is absolutely staggering. Hey, gearheads! Before we reveal the next beast, do me a quick favor. If you love the smell of burning rubber and high-octane engineering, hit that like button and subscribe to Vision Base right now. We are just getting warmed up, and you do not want to miss the madness coming up. Drop a comment below on which car is your dream track toy. Let's get back to it. Number 8, Corvette Z06 GT3. Chevrolet built a car that makes European purists cry themselves to sleep at night. For decades, the Corvette was the king of front-engine leaf springs, but the Z06 GT3R has completely rewritten the American supercar playbook. This mid-engine weapon just secured a massive victory in the LMGT3 class at the historic 2026 24 Hours of Le Mans under the TF Sport banner. Under the rear deck lid, 5.5-liter flat-plane crank LT6R V8 engine. It pumps out a restricted 530 horsepower. But the real magic is the sound. It screams at a high-pitched Italian frequency rather than a traditional low-end American rumble. The chassis is a highly rigid aluminum space frame, constructed directly at the Bowling Green assembly plant, paired with a massive double wishbone suspension. This car is an absolute track weapon designed to handle 24 hours of non-stop punishment. It is the reigning king of GT3. But the next step up is a hybrid endurance prototype designed to run at 200 miles per hour for an entire day without breaking a sweat. Number 7, Porsche 963. Porsche built a spacesuit for the asphalt and called it the 963. This is Porsche's flagship hybrid prototype. Designed to conquer both the IMSA Sports Car Championship in North America and the FIA World Endurance Championship globally. It represents the pinnacle of modern endurance racing, merging traditional internal combustion with high-voltage electrical wizardry. Under the bodywork sits a 4.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with a standardized Bosch hybrid system. Together, they unleash a combined 670 horsepower directly to the rear wheels. The car utilizes a 50-kilowatt motor generator unit that recovers energy under braking, storing it in a lithium-ion battery pack for explosive acceleration out of slow corners. Weighing just 2,270 pounds, the 963 can reach top speeds of over 210 miles per hour while sipping fuel with extreme efficiency. It is a masterpiece of technological endurance. But what happens when a legendary British manufacturer decides to throw away the rulebook entirely to build a real-life video game? Number 6. McLaren Solus GT. This is a literal video game spaceship brought to life to shatter your eardrums and compress your spine. Originally conceived as a virtual concept car for the Gran Turismo video game series, McLaren actually went ahead and built only 25 units of these track-only monsters for real-life multimillionaires. The Solus GT features a single-seat cockpit with a sliding fighter jet canopy instead of traditional doors. Powering this futuristic spaceship is a specialized 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated Judd V10 engine. This motor screams all the way to an unbelievable 10,000 RPM, producing 829 horsepower without a single turbocharger or hybrid motor in sight. The wild aerodynamics generate 2,645 pounds of downforce, which actually exceeds the total weight of the car itself. That means, theoretically, this car could drive upside down on the ceiling of a tunnel. We are officially halfway through the list, and the engineering is about to get downright ridiculous. If you are enjoying this deep dive into raw speed, make sure to subscribe to Vision Base and turn on notifications. We are dropping the clutch on the top 5 most dominant machines next, and trust me, you are not ready for what is coming. Let's keep moving. Number 5. Shio Toyota GR010 Hybrid. This Japanese titan just proved that bulletproof reliability is the ultimate racing cheat code. Just a few weeks ago, in June 2026, the Toyota GR010 Hybrid reclaimed its throne by winning the grueling 24 Hours of Le Mans, securing Toyota's 6th historic victory. This car is a rolling laboratory for future road car technology. It features an incredibly complex four-wheel drive hybrid powertrain. The rear wheels are powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, while the front axle is driven by a powerful 268-horsepower electric motor. The system seamlessly balances a combined 697 horsepower, while managing traction and tire wear on the fly. Its ability to run flat out for 3,000 miles straight with zero mechanical failures is a testament to Toyota's flawless engineering. It is an endurance masterpiece, but we are now stepping into the realm of open-wheel warfare, where the laws of aerodynamics get completely violated. Number 4. Red Bull RB22. This is the most aerodynamically aggressive Formula One car ever built, even if its kingdom is starting to show some cracks. Designed by the undisputed genius Adrian Newey, the Red Bull ground effect chassis utilizes highly complex underbody Venturi tunnels to literally suck the car to the tarmac. Powering this open-wheel weapon is a 1.6-liter V6 turbo hybrid engine, producing over 1,000 horsepower. The car weighs a mere 1,760 pounds, including the driver, allowing it to pull a neck-snapping 5.5 Gs of lateral force in high-speed corners. While Red Bull dominated previous seasons, the current 2026 grid has seen rivals catch up, pushing this engineering marvel into a brutal four-way title fight. Despite the intense competition, the sheer engineering complexity of its floor and side pod packaging remains a high water mark for motorsport physics. Yet, while Red Bull battles in F1, their historical rivals in Italy recently pulled off a historic endurance feat. Number 3. Ferrari 499P. Ferrari didn't just return to top-tier sports car racing. They staged a total hostile takeover. The 499p hypercar is a technological masterpiece that secured an unbelievable Le Mans hat trick, winning the legendary race consecutively in 2023, 2024, and 2025. This car runs on a highly advanced 900-volt electrical architecture developed directly from Ferrari's Formula One program. Under the carbon fiber monocoque is a 120-degree 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that works in perfect harmony with a front-mounted electric motor. The internal combustion engine delivers 670 horsepower, while the electric motor adds an instant 268 horsepower to the front wheels whenever the car exceeds 118 miles per hour. This sophisticated setup allows the 499p to blast down the Mulsanne Straight at over 215 miles per hour with laser-like stability. It is a breathtaking combination of historical Italian passion and cutting-edge space-age technology. But the team currently rewriting the 2026 F1 rulebook is taking hybrid power to an even more dominant level. Number 2. Mercedes-AMG F1 W17. The Silver Arrows are back, and they have brought a literal engineering sledgehammer to the 2026 Formula One season. Following a massive shakeup in technical and engine regulations, the Mercedes-AMG F1 W17 has emerged as the undisputed ruler of the racetrack, driven by the explosive duo of Andrea Kimi Antonelli and George Russell. This car is currently decimating the competition. The W17 features a highly advanced hybrid power unit delivering over 1,050 horsepower, achieving an internal combustion thermal efficiency rating of over 50%. It also utilizes a revolutionary active aerodynamic system, which dynamically adjusts the front and rear wings on the straights to eliminate drag, then snaps them shut in corners for maximum downforce. This allows the car to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.8 seconds while carving corners at speeds that defy human biology. It is the fastest road course machine on Earth. But what happens when you remove all rules and build a car purely for speed? Number 1. Bugatti Bolide. Bugatti built a land-bound fighter jet that completely defies the laws of automotive physics. This track-only, $4.7 million, carbon fiber weapon is the absolute peak of internal combustion dominance. Bugatti took their legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine and dropped it into a bespoke, ultra-lightweight carbon monocoque. The Bolide weighs just 3,196 pounds, about the same as a Honda Civic, but produces an earth-shattering 1,600 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. This gives it an impossible power-to-weight ratio of 1.9 pounds per horsepower. The aerodynamics are so extreme that the roof scoop features active skin that bulges out at high speeds to reduce drag by 10%. With a theoretical top speed well north of 311 miles per hour and the ability to lap racetracks at F1 speeds, the Bugatti Bolide is the ultimate expression of mechanical excess. It is without a doubt the most insane, dominant, and physics-defying race car on the planet in 2026. Thanks for tuning into Vision Base, gentlemen. Keep your wrenches turning, your tires smoking, and we will see you in the fast lane.